everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Having trouble with Zelle and need to contact their customer support? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to reach Zelle customer service quickly and easily. So first step is direct phone support. The fastest way to get help is by calling Zelle's official customer service hotline. For that, open your dialer app and dial 1-844-428-8542. This number is available 24/7, 365 days a year. So you can call anytime if you are facing issues like failed transactions, account errors, or security concerns. You can also contact Zelle through the app or their website. For that, open the Zelle app or open your browser or simply go to www.zellepay.com. Scroll down and find this option called Contact Us. There you will find FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and the option to submit a request for assistance. Third step is through your bank or credit union. Since Zelle is partnered with most banks, another great way to get support is through your bank's customer service. Log into your bank's app or website, go to the Help or Contact Us section. Many banks have their own Zelle support team for quicker solutions. And if you'd rather email, Zelle provides a support form on their website as well. Their team usually replies within a few business days, so don't worry. And that's it. You know now all the ways to contact Zelle customer service via phone, app, website, or even your bank. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop your queries in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.